Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Teaunca, and if you like all things lifestyle, beauty, and doing things yourself, you might as well go ahead and subscribe and join the family. We're going to be doing our own nails today, and I'm going to be using these nail tips from Querafin. I believe that's what they are called. They come in these little baggies, and they all used to have numbers on them, but clearly they don't anymore. One thing I will say about these nail tips are that they do shrink under the UV light, so you may want to size up just a bit and then just file afterwards. So I went ahead and sized my nails, got the nail tips, and I cut them down to my desired length. So now I'm just going to make them all the same length, because I know y'all saw that the thumb wasn't the same length as the others. So we're just going to file them all down and then buff them. I got these files from Shein, and when I tell y'all, I love these files. I really love these files. They are 80/80 grit, and they shape these nails perfectly, as well as my other nails that I got from Amazon. They are the Teaunca brand, I believe. It came with like a whole nail kit, the little UV lamp and everything. So I really like the little nail tips and everything, and nail products that I do be finding on Shein as well as Amazon. These nail tips, they are so sturdy, as well as the Teaunca ones. Those are my favorite ones, the Teaunca, but they are coffin, and I didn't want a coffin shape. I wanted square. So I went ahead and filed all of the nails and buffed them, and now I'm just going to dust off the excess dust or debris and go ahead and wipe them down with an alcohol pad. So we're going to be using this base coat by the brand Sharzig. I got it off Amazon. I'll definitely link everything that I'm using down below. And I'm just going in with a thin layer of base coat on each nail. And I'm going to cure for 30 seconds instead of my normal 60 seconds. Because like I said, these nail tips, they do shrink. So I don't want them to not fit. Even though I'm just trying these on, I don't want them to not fit. So I cured them for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to go in with this milky white from the brand Mamita. It is super, super pretty. As always, I never know what I'm going to do. I just know what colors I want to use and what designs I want to incorporate. So with this set, I knew I wanted to use this milky white, and I know I wanted some pinks in there, and I also know that I wanted hearts. Well, knew that I wanted hearts. So I'm going in on two of the nails with this milky white in a thin layer, and then I'm going to use a pink on the others. I only did 2 coats of each color, but I wish I would have went in with a third coat of the milky white, because it's very transparent. Like, I'm looking at my nails right now and I could see my natural nail underneath, and I honestly don't like that. So I wish I would have made it a little bit darker. Alright, so I was indecisive about what pink I wanted to use, whether or not I wanted to use the lighter pink or this darker pink. These are from BT Art Box, and I did a video on an unboxing and a swatching with these. So I'll definitely put that in the cards. But I decided to go with the lighter pink. And this pink is so pretty. It's like that bubblegum pink. It's super pigmented. I really only needed 1 coat, but out of habit, definitely did 2. But I'm going in on the remainder 3 nails with this pink, and oh goodness, y'all, she is so pretty. And let me just say that I really loved how this set came out. I loved it so much to the point where it was only supposed to be the 5 little fingers for 1 hand done, but I went in and I honestly did the other hand, because I got to go into the office today for work, and I needed my nails done. And I was just going to do a other little simple set without recording, just a little simple white French set. But once I saw the outcome, I'm like, yeah, I'm definitely putting them on. But of course, we got some debris. This was a really tiny piece of hair that I honestly thought I kept getting out, but I didn't. So I had to go back in multiple times to get that out. So make sure y'all really are dusting your area. Or y'all can have like a fan running near y'all just to get the dust out of the way so it won't mess up your nails, your polish, and make you have to, just double back. Just like me, I messed up putting the nails in the light, so I had to go back in and fix that. But that's how they look with one coat, and now I'm just going to go in with the second coat, and I'm going to just speed this up and let it play through because it's self-explanatory. Okay, it's time to get into the decorating. All right, so I am going to be doing this whole nail with just a bunch of hearts and two shades of pink, the lighter pink and this darker pink. And let me just tell y'all, I really enjoyed making these hearts. They were so easy. I did mess up on one and I had to wipe it off. Y'all will see that a little bit, well, pretty soon. Y'all see that I just used the alcohol pad to wipe it off and just go back in and just redo the heart. So definitely just take your time if you are considering trying to, make hearts or any other type of design. Just take your time and don't get frustrated. Like I always tell y'all, when it comes to this decorating part, I really just be getting lost in it. So y'all may see the clips move multiple times because I kept getting out of frame because like I always tell y'all, I forgot the camera was on. But just take your time. Don't mind my ashy fingers. Just take your time, do your hearts, and just have fun with it. I really like how these colors reflected on the milky white paint or polish, and I was indecisive on whether or not I wanted to do the design over a matte coat, but it still came out pretty good and pretty clear on the regular glossy coat or what the gloss. Y'all know what I'm talking about on the regular white without doing no matte top coat. But this is the part where I messed up on. It was just given too thick for me, and I couldn't get the middle part where it creates the actual heart. I couldn't get that down packed, so I just wiped it off and did it again, and it came out pretty good. All right, so after I got the hearts down packed, I still thought the nail was just a little blah. So I went in and added, I honestly don't know what to call these. Little sparkles, little half snowflakes. What would y'all call these? Let me know in the comments below. But I just made a little dot with a dotting tool and just making, and just pulling it out, making a little sparkle. That's what they call, right? I don't know. But I decided to do four of them, still in the same colors. I did want to incorporate a different color, and I just thought, what color could I do? And now that I'm doing this voiceover, I'm just in my mind thinking like, why didn't I do gold or silver? But the when I was doing the nails, the color that came to me was black, and I'm like, oh no, I'm definitely not putting no black in there. But I feel like it would have looked cute, but at the same time, I just feel like a gold or a silver would have been so much better. Like, why didn't I think of that? And I have gel liners from Model 1s in gold and silver. Anyway, I decided to go ahead and put a matte coat over this nail. I don't know why. I really don't. But while that's wet, I went in with a little bit of stones on the little sparkles right in the middle. And then I just cured that for 30 seconds. Okay, so we're going to move over to the middle finger. I did the hearts and everything on the ring finger. So the middle finger, I'm going to do a studded one. Bling, bling. Yes, ma'am. So I got these stones from the hair store, and they were $1.99 each. I got 3 different packs. One was the diamond, another pack was the teardrop, and then of course it was like a variety of different sizes with the little circle stones. But I went in and I used the Teaunca nail glue that came with the nails, the coffin nails that I used in my previous videos. Go check those out. But I used the nail glue to adhere my stones, because let me tell y'all, I ordered the McCart rhinestone glue from Amazon. I ordered it like 3 weeks ago, and it still haven't been delivered. And they said that they attempted to deliver it, but it's not getting delivered to my house. It's getting delivered to a pharmacy near me, because we've been having recent thefts of packages in my area. So I didn't want to chance it. So I guess the pharmacy was closed when they tried to deliver it, but that doesn't mean that you don't reattempt. It's like status unknown. So I just went ahead and canceled it, and I'm gonna just reorder it when they give me my refund. So I got this glitter from the dollar store, and I wanted to use it on my nails. So I'm going to be using this on the pinky. So I'm going to just go over it with some top coat. That packaging is just so pretty. It's from Model 1, and the consistency, it just glides on literally like butter, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all. It's so smooth and it's so shiny. So I love the fact that this glitter has the little spout where I could just pour it over the nail. And of course, I still made a mess. I'm gonna need a bigger little pan or dish, little tray thing to catch the glitter, the acrylic when I'm doing my sweater nails, just to catch all that. I think I need a bigger area because I clearly keep making a mess. But that's the set. That's how they're looking. So pretty, right? So now I'm just going in on the thumb and the index finger with some stones, and I'm going to go over that with top coat and cure it for 60 seconds, and then we are going to apply them. So with the application, I'm just going to let that play out. I'm not going to do a voiceover because it's simple. Just push your cuticles back, apply some glue, and stick the nail on, and that's it. But leave me some comments down below, y'all. Let me know how I did with this set. Let me know if y'all are liking these videos, my nail videos. And just let me know if there are any color schemes for Valentine's Day nails that you would like to see. But yeah, y'all, I'm just doing the top coat now and then going with the curing for 60 seconds as mentioned. And I'm going to just let that play out. And I'll see y'all closer towards the end. I'm back, y'all. So I do want to say that I did go in and I just filed them a little bit more after they was done curing. And then in the application part, y'all will see me file them some more. And during that time, I would just be shaping them to my nail. I didn't shape them in the beginning. I just cut them and sized them according to my nail bed, and just making sure they was fitting sidewall to sidewall. But I did also make sure that they were just a little bit bigger, only because these nails do shrink. So I'm using the KDS nail glue. I heard a lot of things about it, and I honestly think the nail salons use it too, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, this is the application part, and like I said, I'm gonna let it play out. If I think of anything that I have to say during the application, then of course I'm gonna jump back on and let y'all know. But yeah, I'm really just sizing them, shaping them with the file, and then applying them with the glue. I do apply glue to both the nail and my natural nail. Alright, y'all, so they are all on. Like I said, when I started this video, or started recording, I only wanted to do one hand because I didn't want to keep them on. But once I saw how cute they came out, I went ahead and did the other hand off camera. But now that they are all on, I went ahead and applied some cuticle oil, and this is the finished product. I think they are so cute. But thank y'all for watching. Make sure you definitely like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.